Soft ice against glass, another night begins. Watch them floating, thinking they're bulletproof. Behind this bar, I see through your glass. Designer suits can't hide what's underneath. You swagger in with borrowed confidence. I pour your truth, watch it spill and see. Every Friday night, same performance art. Different actors wearing the same damn part. I mix your drinks while you mix your lies. Baby, I know better than your alibis. Behind this bar, I see through your glass. You think you're deep, but you're running shallow. Behind this bar, time moves so fast. Yeah. Tomorrow's regrets are already tomorrow. Oh, that wedding ring you slip in your pocket. Think I don't notice how you play the game. Your lips say bourbon-y, but your eyes are searching for something I won't name. 3 hours deep, masks start to crack. Designer perfume fades to black. I've seen 1,000 just like you, drowning sorrows in the blue. Behind this bar, I see through your glass. You think you're deep, but you're running shallow. Behind this bar, time moves so fast. Yeah. Tomorrow's regrets are already tomorrow. And sometimes late at night, when all the players have gone home, I pour myself a drink and face what I've become. A keeper of secrets, a judge behind wood grain. But who am I to talk? I'm still here doing the same. Behind this bar, I see through your glass. You think you're deep, but you're running shallow. Behind this bar, time moves so fast. Yeah. Tomorrow's regrets are already tomorrow. Another late shift by the water. Clock strikes 12 like every night. Something pulls me to stay longer when that full moon shines so bright. Can't explain these ripples forming, knowing tonight's so still, so clear. Heart skips when surface breaks and you appear. Every 30 days I'm waiting, never early, never late. My job says I should stop you, but I hesitate. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? Water beads across your shoulders. Never speak, just float on by. Breaking rules to watch you longer. Can't look away, don't ask. ask me why. Sometimes think I'm just imagining the way you smile up at the sky. Every month I'm getting closer to diving in. Every 30 days I'm shaking. Should I break this sacred space? My mind says I should stop this, but I can't escape. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? Between duty and desire, between water and the shore, between reality and something more, something more. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? When the moon is full. When the moon is full. Every night I take the stage, moving through the blue light haze. They all watch but don't really see what these movements mean to me. Kimi wa mite iru no, are you watching in this crowded space? Watashi no kokoro wa, my heart is racing at your face. Dancing for the crowd, but moving for you. Every step I take is something to prove. Dancing for the moment, but feeling you near. When our eyes connect, they all disappear. Oh, they disappear. Baby, they disappear. Professional smile, practice grace, but my eyes keep finding your face. In the VIP section tonight, where the water casts blue light. Behind these choreographed moves, there's a message just for you. Every spin tells a different tale, one that makes my heartbeat feel. Moto chikaku ni come closer through this midnight air. Kimi to odoritai, I wanna dance with, but I wouldn't dare. Dancing for the crowd, but moving for you. Every step I take is something to prove. Dancing for the moment, but feeling you near. When our eyes connect, they all disappear. They disappear. Baby, they disappear. Should I break all the rules? Leave the stage behind. Take your hand in mine.